hear your customer just say, by far, we have the best product in the market. That's one of the sources of pride that I have with AGSE. I do qualification test procedures for any kind of changes to gear or equipment or designs that we have, qualifying new stands, new equipment, go to the field, do a few field repairs on some of the older equipment. I'm also accepting product from vendors overseas, looking at different components, different stands, giving my input on how they can improve the process to meet our AGSE standards. I love AGSE. We have a lot of nationalities from around the world as an example of what our product goes and what it does.